Friends, today we are starting with chapter 3 of accountancy, that is valuation of goodwill. In this chapter we will study about goodwill and its several aspects. So let us first know what is goodwill. Over a period of time, a well-established business develops an advantage of good name, reputation and wide business connections. Many a times when the business gets older, it develops a relation with the customers, it establishes a place in the market, it has a name, it has a fame in the market. All these things benefits the business. In accounting, monetary value of such advantage is known as goodwill. So when we take out the value, we take out the monetary value of this name and fame. In accounting, this is termed as goodwill. So we can say that goodwill is the value of the reputation of the firm in respect to the profit earning over and above the expected profit. When a firm earns more than expected profit, we say that the firm has a reputation, a name in the market, and that name or reputation is called the goodwill. The monetary value of such reputation or name is termed as goodwill in accounting language. Now, what are the factors which affect valuation of goodwill? There are many factors which affects the valuation of goodwill. Some of them are as follows. First is favorable location of business. If business is located at such place having high customer traffic, then it will definitely earn more profit. So it will help to form high goodwill in the market. The more the profit is, goodwill automatically increases. Second, efficiency of management. An efficient management always helps to increase the production and decrease the cost and other expenses. Due to this, profit increases and goodwill increases too. Third is nature of goods. Some goods fetch high profits which helps to build high goodwill. Some businesses dealing in goods which are unacceptable by the society are generally not famous in the market and therefore they are not having that much goodwill. Fourth is monopolistic and other rights. Goodwill exists when the firm enjoys certain special benefits or monopoly because these special benefits helps in earning extra profit. So, goodwill increases. Chapter is valuation of goodwill. So, why valuation is needed? Goodwill को value क्यों किया जाए? The reasons for valuation of goodwill are: first, change in the profit sharing ratio amongst the existing partners. If the existing partners change their profit sharing ratio, the valuation of goodwill is required. Second, when there is any type of change in the partnership, such as admission of new partner, retirement of old partner, or death of an existing partner. Whenever the partnership situation changes, like when person is admitted, a partner is admitted, there will be a new member coming into the firm. So goodwill is valued to know the exact position of the business. In the same case, when person retires or a partner dies. Also, when there is conversion of partnership into a company, valuation of goodwill is required. When there is amalgamation of partnership firm, amalgamation is a kind of mixing of two firms, two or more firms. So, in all these cases, we require the valuation of goodwill. There are 4 methods suggested in your textbook for the valuation of goodwill. First is average profit method. Second is weighted average profit method. Third is super profit method. And fourth is capitalization of profit method. We will study in the next video about these methods, what are these methods and how to value the goodwill based on these methods.